So in CrossFit we use 3 different stances, primarily 3 different stances. They could vary within degrees of the stance with a little bit offset for depending on our body types, the length of our legs, etc. 3 different stances that we will use is our lifting stance. So we put our hands on our hips, our heels are going to be in line under our hips, and that's what we call our lifting stance. We're going to do everything, we're going to do all our lifts from a lifting stance. Now, unless it says squat, we'll be doing it from a lifting stance. So examples would be a press up overhead, a deadlift from the floor, a pull from the floor, and any versions that can include those 2 movements. We'll start off our Olympic lifts from a lifting stance, so that would be a deadlift off the floor to start. Moving on from a lifting stance, we have what's called a squat stance. We're going to take our thumbs, put them on the outside of our shoulders, and move our heels under our thumbs. Okay, a little bit wider than your hip width lifting stance. This is our squat stance. Okay, Melissa can put her thumbs down from her shoulders. So we are going to perform a squat from a squat stance. Third stance we're going to use is what's called a sumo stance. So we're going to take a step out with each foot and point your toes out and away. Sumo stance, nice and wide here. It's going to give us a clear bar path when we come up and for a pull off the ground primarily. We'll do pulls or a sumo deadlift from this stance. Okay? Thanks, Carson.